Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the cleaning fee on Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Then tap Manage Listing or Listing. You will see all the places. If you are hosting, tap the listing you want to update. Scroll down and tap on pricing or look for the pricing and availability. From here, scroll until you find fees or standard fees. Tap on cleaning fee. Now you will see the current cleaning fee. Tap on the box and enter the new amount you want to charge. Once you have typed it in, tap save or the check mark at the top right corner. Go back to your listing overview and scroll down through the pricing section to make sure the new cleaning fee is saved correctly. And that's it, you have successfully changed the cleaning fee for your Airbnb listing using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.